In this video, I will guide you about the Python programming libraries. So there are different types of libraries existing in the Python programming: NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, and some other libraries. But in this video, I will teach you about the NumPy. NumPy is actually dealing with the numbers, different numbers that could be in the form of arrays, right? So practically, I will teach you how to tackle with numbers in a NumPy. So first you need to create file in a Jupyter notebook. I will go here, new, then I will click on Python. So this is your untitled file which has created here in the Jupyter notebook. First, I will rename this file. I will click on the untitled and I will write NumPy, right? And then I will click on rename. First, you need to install the libraries from internet. What you will do, first you will click here in this cell and you will write pip means Python install packages. So you will see I have already installed all these libraries for requirement already satisfied. It means in this system library already existing. But if you are using first time, here it will install all libraries first and then will work. In the next, what we will do that I will write import NumPy as np enter. Now I will create two arrays. Here I will create two types of arrays. First, that could be A and second would be B. Now I will teach you how you can write arrays in a Jupyter notebook. First you will write A, then equal to, then you will write np dot array, then you will place parenthesis, small brackets, and in the small bracket you will use square bracket, and in the square bracket you will define your array 1 2 3. You can write any number because it's dealing with number. NumPy is basically dealing with different numbers, so you can write any types of numbers. This is the A array. Then I will write B. B is equal to np dot array. Then I will place small bracket, and in this small bracket I will write 1 4 7. Please keep in your mind arrays column should be similar, then it will deal properly. And if you will place different columns and different rows, definitely it will create problem. So you need to create same column number of columns and same number of rows, right? Then I will click here. Then I will keep these two arrays result in third variable. I will click C. C is equal to A plus B. This could be the simplest result, right? Then I will click enter and then I will print the result. In the result, I will see a result of C. Then I will enter. So you can see 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, and 7 plus 3, 10. This is the array by the second method. This is the first method. This is the first method. Now I will tell you the second method. I will click here. So the second method will be C is equal to np dot add, and in the bracket I will write two arrays A, comma B, and you will see the same result will come. So this is 2, 6, and 10. In a similar way, you can subtract these two numbers. Just you will change add from subtract. I will write subtract here, and then I will click. You can see 0, -2, -4 will be the result. For multiplication. So this is all about. And in this video, I taught you about the NumPy. This is the first Python library, and I guided you how to install NumPy, how to import this library, and how to write arrays in this library. So all arithmetic operation I have performed here. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. I'll definitely give you answer about this. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much.